Good morning, student. Welcome to the Ganjati online class. I am your English teacher. So today we discuss English grammar. Okay, chapter 8. Chapter's name is near and far. What is near? Near यानी कि सामने और far यानी कि दूर. Okay, near जो है सामने वाला कोई चीज रहेगा, कोई प्लेस, कोई पीपल्स रहेंगे तो नियर है, और जो दूर है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Far. Okay. So, dear student, first you open your grammar book and copy. Okay. Then we have to start the classes. Okay. So, dear student, you have learned about these, that, these, and those. These, that, these, and those. Look at the picture. Okay. Page number 46. What is the boy saying? बच्चा एक है, बच्चा क्या बोल रहा है आप देख पा रहे हैं. ठीक है. Fill in the blanks with these, that, these, and those. These, that, these, and those. Okay. So here I am just already doing. This is a garden. These flowers are yellow. Okay. So third number, those are star up in the sky. That is the moon. Those buildings are far away. Okay. Just you see the picture. Okay. देखो बच्चा एक है तो एक गार्डन है, इसलिए दिस इज गार्डन. गार्डन हम लोग फर्स्ट दिखाएंगे, उसके बाद दिस फ्लावर्स आर ये सामने है, एक नहीं बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स हैं, इसलिए दीज फ्लावर्स आर ये. यस भी लगा है, दीज भी लगा है. ओके. फ्लावर्स. देन थर्ड नंबर, दोज आर स्टार अप इन द स्काई. स्टार जो है बच्चे से दूर है, इसलिए यहाँ पे दोज लगा है, और एक नहीं बहुत सारे स्टार. देन फोर्थ नंबर, दैट इज द मून. दैट इज द मून. मून जो है बच्चे के सामने नहीं, वो जो है ऑन द स्काई, यानी स्काई स्काई में है. ठीक है, इसलिए दैट इज द मून. देन फाइव नंबर, दोज बिल्डिंग्स आर फार अवे. बिल्डिंग्स सामने पीछे है, बिहाइंड द बॉय पीछे है, इसलिए बिल्डिंग्स जो है एक नहीं है बहुत सारे हैं. सो इसलिए दोज बिल्डिंग्स आर फार अवे, और दूर है. ओके. सो जस्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके. आई होप यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी क्लियरली. इट्स नॉट टू डिफिकल्ट. सो देन लुक दिस पिक्चर. यहाँ पे देखो, दिस इज माई ब्रदर. ये मेरा भाई है. एक गर्ल्स है और पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं कि ये मेरा भाई है. दिस इज माई ब्रदर. सो दैट इज मैंगो. मैंगो जो है दूर है, इसलिए यहाँ पे दैट लगा है. दीज आर फ्लावर्स. एक फ्लावर्स नहीं है, बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स हैं, इसलिए दीज आर फ्लावर्स लगा है. ओके. दोज आर माई शूज. शूज जो है थोड़ा बच्चे से दूर है, यानी जो बॉय है उससे दूर है. ओके. सो इसलिए दोज आर माई शूज. ओके. सो जस्ट यू हैव टू write some importance for you. Okay. So first you open your copy and write this one. Okay. We use this and that. This and that with singular noun. Singular noun. Okay. And another numbers we use these and those with plural noun. Okay. So just know about singular and plural. Just I told previous classes, so just you remember and do all the question answer very easily. Okay. So dear student, we use this and that. What? This and that with singular noun. Singular noun में हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? This और that. We use these and those. These and those with plural nouns. प्लूरल नाउन्स यानी एक से ज्यादा रहेंगे. दिस दैट जो है दिस जो है सामने रहेंगे और दे जो है दूर में रहेंगे, लेकिन एक चीज रहेगी, या कोई एक पेपर रहेंगे, कोई एनिमल्स रहेंगे या थिंग्स रहेंगे, ठीक है। इसमें भी सेम दीज एंड दोज, लेकिन ये जो है प्लूरल नाउन्स एक से ज्यादा है, one to many people, things, animals, that time you use these and those, okay, so you have to clear it, okay. So another number you have to write in your copy. We use this when we talk about a things, a thing or a person near us, near us. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है? We use this when we talk about a thing or person near us. कोई भी हमारे सामने अगर रहते हैं, कोई चीज रहेगा या कोई पर्सन रहता है या कोई एनिमल्स रहते हैं हमारे पास में, तो उस जगह पे क्या यूज करेंगे? दिस, व्हाट, दिस, ओके। दिस इज ए बॉय, दिस इज ए मैंगो, ओके, दिस इज ए डस्टर, दिस इज ए पेंसिल, सो you have to use near us to using this, okay. Then which place we use that? We use that when we talk about a thing or a person or a way. So just you understand what is saying the sentence. We use that when we talk about a thing or a person or a way. हमारे से जो दूर चीज है, ठीक है, so उस समय हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? that. That is a table, that is a chair, यानी कि मैं बोल सकता हूँ that is a blackboard. blackboard यानी कि थोड़ा दूर रहेगा, so we use that, okay, far away यानी कि हमारे से दूर है, okay. Are you clear? Then which place we use these and those, okay. First you understand is better for you, then you have to do all the question answer very easy, okay. So dear student, just to write all the numbers we use these when we point at things or people near us. So first you just understand it. Which place we use these? We use these when we point at things or people near us. लेकिन एक से ज्यादा नहीं, ठीक है। एक अगर फ्लावर्स है तो उसमें हम these लगा सकते हैं, अगर बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स हैं उसमें हम लोग बीज लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन वो क्या है, कोई भी चीज या कोई भी पीपल्स रहेगा तो एक पीपल नहीं, मैनी पीपल्स दे आर गोइंग टू यूज दीज, ओके। सो और वो जो है सामने रहेगा, ओके। सो इफ यू just know about these, okay. We use these when we point at things or people near us, यानी कि हमारे पास में जो people या things एक नहीं बहुत सारे रहेंगे, so उसमें हम लोग क्या लगा सकते हैं? These, okay. Just you remember it. Then which place we use those? We use those when we point at things or people far from us. So dear student, just to understand it, which place using those? We use those when we point at things or people far away, far from us. यानी कि हमारे से जो भी दूर रहेगा कोई भी चीज, एक चीज में many things are there, many people are there. That time we use for those. Okay. So that time we using those. Okay. So this one important for you. So write this all sentence which time we using these, that, these, those. Okay. So dear student, we have to do some question answer. So be ready. Ask the answer. The another page 48 page you have to see your book. Okay. Fill in the blanks with these, that, and those. Okay. So just we fill in the blanks using these, that, and those. Okay. Fill in the blanks using these, that, and those. Just you have to clear that we have to do number 1. So this place, this is an aeroplane. Okay. एरोप्लेन जो है जस्ट वॉइस के सामने में से हम लोग दिस यूज किए. दिस इज एन एरोप्लेन. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट 2 नंबर. दिस इज ए ship. What? This is a ship, and these are सेट ऑफ वूल. बहुत सारे वूल है, एक में बहुत सारे वूल है. इसलिए देखो, सी द पिक्चर. दिस इज एन एरोप्लेन. एरोप्लेन जो है बॉयज के जस्ट सामने है, इसलिए हम लोग दिस यूज किए. सो नंबर 2, दिस इज शिप. और बॉयज के ठीक सामने है शिप, इसलिए हम लोग दिस यूज किए. दीज आर सैक्स ऑफ वूल. बहुत सारे वूल है, एक नहीं बहुत सारे, many wools there. So using these. Okay. So just you have to do another number 3, 4, 5. Just I am doing, but you have to do yourself. Is very easy, not difficult. Using only these, this, that, and those. Okay. So dear student, you have to do 1 to 6 number. Here is 1 also. Okay. So just do another number. You have to see blackboard. Grammar section is very easy, not difficult, but you have to understand all the sentence very clearly. So then you have to do yourself. Okay. So choose the correct word. Choose the correct word. First we see the blackboard. 2 sentences is there. 2 sentences is there. These and this. Okay. So here is the blanks. These and these are my grandparents. Grandparents. So what we use? These or this. These are. Not we using this because R is here. So we have to using these. Okay. So these are my grandparents. Okay. So the sentence is very clearly and complete the sentence. So we using these. These are my grandparents. So dear student, first you understand the sentence, what they saying. Then you have to fill up easily in the blanks. So we using these are my grandparents. Okay. Then number 2, meet my cousin. Dash. So we place using these or that. Okay. Each. Okay. And dash is 1. So just you see the blackboard. Okay. Meet my cousin. These are dead is Akhe and dash is 1. So which place we using this or that? So here we use this. First introduction for the cousins Akhe. Then another place we have to use that. Okay. What? That. Okay. Here we have to using that. These first place. First we introduction for Akhe. Then others and introduction is Vani. Okay. So that place using that. So the student you have to clear which place we using this or that. Okay. Then we have to write next number. For example, rest others number you have to do yourself. It's very easy. First you understand and do yourself. Number 3. Okay. Dash, that, or these. Basket is filled with mangoes. First you understand the sentence. Dash basket is filled with mangoes. So these we using these. Okay. These basket is filled with mangoes. एक नहीं बहुत सारे mangoes हैं. ठीक है. So using these. This basket is filled. Just you have to using this or that. What you say is, I think we using that. Okay. Because only one basket is here. So just for your imagination, just see. I am trying to yourself. Okay. So that is the right answer. Okay. That basket is filled with mangoes. Okay. So we have to write that. Okay. Not this. I am just trying to your mentality. Which time using that or this. Okay. So dear student, here we using that basket is filled with mangoes. Okay. So it is the correct So rest others number you have to do yourself. Okay, see the book 49 page 4 to 10 number you have to do yourself. It's very easy. First you understand all the sentence and then you have to do very easily. Okay, so just for your example or just for your knowing yourself, I am saying which place we have to using also these and those. We always just you write in your copy, always use each with this and that, this or that, and are with these or do. So your student first you understand it. We always use each. हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? That is, this is, that is, this is यूज करते हैं. So we always use this, or that, are with these and those. और ज्यादा अगर people रहते हैं, things रहते हैं, तो हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? Are, these are, those are, these are, those are, these are papers, those are mangoes. ऐसे यूज करते हैं. So dear student, first you know about which place we using these or that place each and are with these and those. So just important for you. First you write in your copy. Okay. Then we have to do another number. 50 page. Before open. Select the correct word and complete this sentence. Select the correct words to complete this sentence. कुछ वर्ड्स हैं यहाँ पे, कुछ बॉक्स दिए गए हैं, ऑप्शन 4 दिए गए हैं, 1, 2, 3 and 4, A, B, C and D. इसमें से हमको चुन के लिखना है, ओके, और उसको टिक करना है. So you have to tick first and you have to do in the blanks, okay. So first number, select the correct word to complete these sentences. Okay. So first you open the book, page number 50. Sentence. Okay. Select the correct word to complete this sentence. So first number, these are my grandparents' glasses. So these are grandfather's glasses. Okay. So what are the grandfathers is here? So we using these are, not those. These are my grandfathers. These are my grandfather's glasses. Not one glasses, many glasses is there. So we using these. These are my grandfather glasses. So dear student, we using first number these. What? So you have to select or tick the D number. What? D number. Tick first and fill in the blanks these. Okay. So number second, we have to do number second. Just for example, rest others number you have to do yourself. So first, understand which place we using a correct sentence, correct word. I cannot read. I cannot read these words. What? These words. You टेरिबल, टेरिबल बहुत ही भयानक, डरावना बोलते हैं, ठीक है। सो हियर इज द फोर्थ ऑप्शन, these, that, those, these. I cannot read, okay, I cannot read that words, so we using that words. Your handwriting is terrible, so using that. I cannot read that words, your handwriting is terrible, so using that. What? That. So you have to tick B, what numbers? B number. Okay. You have to tick B number and write the place. Okay. I cannot read that words. Your handwriting is terrible. बहुत ही भयानक handwriting है, इसलिए मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रहा. ठीक है. The sentence you have to clear. Then you have to easily do all the questions. Okay. Then we have to do number 3. Okay, 1 to 8 numbers is here. So number 3 we have to do dash jump over their heads water. So in this place what we put dash jump over this hedge water. What? So we using only one jump, so we have to that using that jump over their hedge water. Okay, so that is the correct answer. So using that, and you have to take number B. That is the correct answer. So dear student, rest other stuff you have to do yourself. 4 to 8 number, do yourself. It's very easy, not a difficult. First you understand the sentence, then you have to do easily. Okay. Then you have to do numbers C, page number 51. Page number 51. Okay. So first number is already done for you. What is that? That is pizza. Okay, see the picture. What is this? What is that? That is a pizza. Okay, so you have to write all the numbers, see the pictures, and do yourself. Okay, so first just you see the blackboard. Okay, number 2 you have to do. What are those? What question is what are those? The question mark. What are those? See the pictures. Here is the some flowers. Okay. So those are, the answer is those are flowers. What? Those are flowers. एक फ्लावर्स में है, बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स हैं, इसलिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? Those are flowers. Okay. So same time number 3. Also, what is this? What is this? The question mark. What is this? See the picture. That is the elephant. Okay. And holding a wooden. So we have to write the correct answer. What is this? This is an elephant. An elephant. Okay. So you have to write this is an elephant. So E is the vowel letter, first letter. So we have to use an. Okay. An इसलिए है क्योंकि फर्स्ट लेटर E है. Okay. Vowel है. So we have to write an. This is, the answer is this is an elephant. Okay. So rest other symbols. You have to see the picture and do yourself. At the down you have to write correct sentence. Here the picture some picture is there. So you do all the number 4 to 7, do yourself. Okay. Then another somebody you have to do 8 numbers is here. What are those? So you have to do easily. Okay. So look this picture now. Write as many sentences as you can. Use that, these, that, those, these. One has been done for you. So this is a bird. These are flowers. That is swing. Those are trees. That is bench. Okay. See the picture and first you understand it. Okay. Then another number do on blackboards. Okay. So the student first you see the blackboard. Find the errors and correct sentence. Here we have to find a correct words. Find the error and correct the sentence. Correct the sentence. Okay. First find the errors. जो गलत है उसको हम लोग स्किप करना है, एरर करना है, एंड करेक्ट दिस सेंटेंस और उसको सेंटेंस को पूरा करेक्ट करना है. ओके. So first I have to do one numbers. Just for example, Jessica, please sit here. Okay. The sentence. Then other sentence. There. This is your seat. Your seat. So this sentence which is the error and do the correct sentence. So here this is. So we have to I have told a previously just this अगर रहेगा तो उस समय हम लोग क्या लगाएंगे are. These are. So we have to add and skip it. Okay. These are your seat. These are your seat. So Jessica, please sit. So dear students, just you have to see the end sentence. Jessica, please sit here. So just add these. वहाँ पे these लगा हुआ है. Okay. So you have to use this is your seat. So just you have to calculate the changes these to this. Okay. यहाँ पे these की जगह this लगाना है और sentence जो correct है. Okay. So rest others number you have to do yourself 2 to 12th number. Okay. Which place you have to error and correct sentence you have to use it. Okay. So the student your chapter also completed. Okay. Do all the numbers very. So dear student, first do number 1, then number 2 we have to see on blackboard. I kept my books in this book shelf over this. Okay. So just I have write the sentence that I kept my books in this book shelf. Over there. Okay. So just we find out which words we have to error and using correct sentence. I kept my books in these. So in this place we have to using these. Okay. These books are set over there. Okay, because not only one books, many books is there. So using this place, these books stand over there. So the sentence is completed. I kept my books, not these. These books stand over there. Okay. So this sentence is completed. So next number we have to do number 3. The paper. The papers are in this drawer. Below the computer. Dear student, first you changes the sentence. This is not a correct sentence. The papers are in this drawer below the computers. So you have to read. So all ones. Okay. So just we have to maintain correctly. We have to write this sentence. Okay. So just you see the correct answer. The papers. The papers in drawer. Okay. The papers in drawer. These are. So just we have to using these are. These are below the computer. Okay. Just we have to change this. The sentence is already completed and well and correct. Okay. The papers in drawers. These are below the computer. So the student, we have to do 1 number, 2 number, 3 numbers. Just other number you have to complete. Okay. It is very easy. Just you have to keep your mind and understand all the sentence very clearly. Then you have to do what yourself. आप लोगों को सेंटेंस को अच्छे से समझना है और कौन सी जगह में क्या लगाना है ये आप सोचेंगे, उसके बाद आपको इजीली मालूम चलेगा. ठीक है. नंबर 4, द लाइब्रेरी. The library is this way down. So the library is this way down the hall. So just you see the sentence. Which place we have to error and we have to using correct sentence. The library is this way. So this place we have to change this that way down the hall. Okay. So the library is that way down the hall, not this. Okay, not this. So we have to error and using correct sentence this that this, not this, that way down the hall. So the another symbol number 5. That cabinets, the cabinets near the principal's office are locked. So here which one is the not correct? So first you see that cabinets near the principal office are locked. So just you have to change that. Okay, those cabinets near the principal's office are locked. So using those. Okay. So dear student, first you see very clearly and understand it. First, that place you have to using those cabinets near the principal office locked. So those are the correct words, correct sentence. and complete the sentence. So we have to using those, not that. Okay. So next, number 6. Okay. So I hope you have to understand all the sentence very clearly. Then keep your mind and do yourself. And others number, those is an aquarium. Sentence is correct? Correct? Not. The sentence is not correct. Okay. These, using these. Okay. This is an aquarium. So you have to using this, not those. Those is a you have to know, and I have told you previously. Which place we have to using those? Many peoples, many things, and far away from us. अगर हमारे से दूर कोई चीज रह जाए या पीपल रहे तो उस समय हम लोग दोष लगाएंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे दिस लगा है और ईच लगा है. ओके, इसलिए एक सेंटेंस जो है करेक्ट होगा. So you have to use this is an aquarium. So dear student, do all the numbers. Rest others number you have to do yourself. 7 to 12 number. Okay. So it's very easy, not a difficult. Okay. So dear student, today we will know about near us or far. Okay. Its chapter is very easy, not a difficult. Okay. Near and far. Complete the chapter. Okay. So do yourself all the question answer. I hope you have to keep in your mind all the sentence, all the words very well. Write down the number of activities. Think you can see the classroom on piece of paper, but inside a box. From two teams A and first B. Student from team A will pick up piece of paper from the box and write sentence with that word along with these, this, that, these, or those on the board. If team A from correct sentence it gets 2 points, then team B do the same as the team A. The team words write the maximum number of correct sentence will be the winner. For example, if the slip says books, the students may write these are books. So this is your activity. Do your friends, play with friends and do well. Okay. So dear student, today you have to complete the chapter near and far. Okay, near and far, chapter 8. Okay. I hope you have to understand well, and I hope you all the numbers captures and do all the question answer correctly. Okay. So dear student, for last information I have to say to you many times, but now for your information, the coronavirus is spread all over our India, all over Odisha. So stay at home, be safe yourself, be safe your parents. Don't go outside if not necessary. Washes your hand many times and using sanitizer, mask. Okay. So dear student, do all the questions very well. If you don't know, then I will ask next time, next class. And if you doubt any numbers, so I will clarify the open of our school. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.